Hey, welcome back to another episode of Wildly Graceful. This is Jen, and we just had our first night in our campsite, and it was super quiet. The air conditioner kept us cool all night long. We do think we need stabilizers for the front of the trailer. It was a little wobbly when Michael walked around, but not necessarily when I walked around. He's also heavier footed than I am. It literally took us 20 minutes to set up. We were so well organized and so prepared. So far, the only thing I realized that I'm missing is liners for the bathroom garbage can. That's an easy fix. I thought maybe notepad and paper, but we have phones, so we don't really need that. The Wi-Fi is terrible here at the KOA in Flagstaff, so I won't be working from here. Let's see. The trailer, everything stayed up. Nothing fell off while we were traveling. All the decor stayed on. We came from 112 degrees in the valley up to mid 80s in Flagstaff. Nothing fell off. The hooks all stayed attached. The fridge stayed closed, although we didn't put food in it for travel. Yeah, that was pretty much it. The clothes storage was really simple. My husband is a bit of a mess, so we have to figure out my husband's disastrous, sloppy side. But it wasn't too bad. We got up here before the sun set, and we're able to get set up, run out for some dinner, and come home, play a card game, and go to bed. So that was pretty much it. Easy breezy. Thanks.